Hello kids, I am your teacher Emma. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Junior Joy TV. Today, we will learn about water animals and bird. So, let's start. Octopus. Octopus. Fish. Fish. Starfish. Starfish. Seahorse. Seahorse. Dolphin. Dolphin. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Shark. Shark. Turtle. Turtle. Crab. Crab. Penguin. Penguin. Seal. Seal. Kids, now it's a quiz time. Guess the animal name from the below pictures. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you in next video.